ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव शुरू कर रहे हैं इस साल एंड एज द गवर्निंग बॉडी ऑफ फुटबॉल इन द रीजन ऑफ दिल्ली एनसीआर जो भी हम सपोर्ट दे सकते हैं सबको जो फुटबॉल खेल को आगे बढ़ाना चाह रहे हैं, प्लेयर और कोच के डेवलपमेंट को ध्यान में रखते हुए इवेंट्स और लीग्स करना चाह रहे हैं तो हम डेफिनेटली सपोर्ट करेंगे और करना चाहते हैं. सो वी विश IKF all the best for the first edition. I think from here we should definitely get some talented players from Delhi and push them forward to take their footballing career ahead.
IKF has taken the onus to create a roadmap for Indian youth footballers to be able to imagine or dream about playing in European clubs and fulfill those dreams as well. So we partner with European scouting agencies and then we bring those scouts here to watch our tournaments and get the best talent all the way to Europe. And they will give trials to European clubs and they will tour basically with the scouting agency that we have partnered with, which is Pro Soccer Global. So I think this is a great opportunity for a great and very new opportunity for Indian youth to showcase their talent and a platform for Indian football to uplift itself.
I'm very thankful for IKF, Indian Kelo Football, to take so much initiative here, for a young generation. So looking forward to work with IKF in Ladakh. We are the founder of football in Ladakh. So we want to provide all the same facilities in Ladakh. So we are looking forward to IKF to work with, collaborate with Ladakh Football Association and giving a same platform in entire Ladakh.
I am here to attend this particular glorious tournament which has been organized by IKF. We all know that India is full of talent when it comes to football, and football is a universal sport and we are not lagging behind anywhere when it comes to the talent. And IKF is that particular opportunity which is a platform which has been given by them, wherein they can pick up the talent from each and every nook and corner of India, which would be ultimately culminating into a national level thing, and best of the talent will be picked up and they'll get the opportunity to play in Europe. Okay, so these type of tournaments is something which is required today in India. Because of these type of tournaments, we'll see India on that particular league of the international level.